Hi, today I'm going to see what's inside a rugby ball. Playing with it there a few minutes ago and we had a good bit of fun. Always wondered what's inside a rugby ball, so I think we're going to find out now. Not sure what to use, whether I use a knife or whether I use a really sharp knife. I think we'll use a sharp knife. So it's a Gilbert rugby ball. It's a trainer ball size 4 and it's seen better days in our own house. I think it might be leaking ever so slightly, so I said, look, why not open and see what's inside in it. Now I think what we'll do is we'll open it down this way around and we'll have 2 halves. So here goes. Oh, that's the first rip gone there now. I'm going to continue on down the line there. It's actually tough enough to cut. And, so it looks like initially at this stage you have the another inflatable tube inside, so we'll continue cutting around it. I said earlier on there's some water coming out of it, so obviously it was leaking. I thought that because sometimes when you kick it, some water would come out of it. It's 1/2, that's what's inside in it. As you can see, it's water stained as well. It had been leaking. It's like a kind of plastic compound put on a kind of fabric on the inside part of it, and as you can see it's sewn as well, and sectioned together. And that's the other part of it. Obviously this is a tube with the air inside, so as you can see that's the inside of the ball. Probably when it was manufactured or some kind of quality control. Again you can see the seam there. All water stained. So now we're going to cut open this. It says latex steamless valve bladder. So it's made in India and it's 65 grams plus 5 grams. I'm not sure what that is. Anyway, here it goes. Okay. Cut there now. Get the rest of the way. Whew. Not a very nice smell off it. Not very pleasant. Because it's old now as well. That's the inside. And then you come to a lot of water coming out. Then you come to a valve. So that's how it's inflated from the outside, and basically it. So see if I can take this off. It's actually glued on the surface. Yeah, there you go. That's it now. So that's just the valve. It's inflated, put the needle there and pump it up, and That's it. So there you go. That's what's inside the ball. That's more or less it in a nutshell. So there you have it. And please subscribe, comment down below if you like it. Also, we'd love to hear if you have any other suggestions of what's inside it. That might be soccer ball, golf ball, washing machine, air conditioner, whatever you'd like to find out what's inside. Please suggest it, and we'll try and organise, find out what's inside it. See you next time.